In the previous $lookup video, we learned how to compose a $lookup aggregation query that results in joining two collections together. Find a link to that video in the description below. Now, let's take a look at how to performance tune our query so that it runs 5 times faster. The $lookup query we created was joining a customer's collection to a housing collection. However, the housing collection we're using only contains data about affordable housing options for residents of Chicago. A rule of thumb for performance tuning is query less data. So, in order to make our $lookup query run a lot faster, we can narrow the input data that we'll be sending by adding a $match stage as the first stage in the pipeline. This pre-selects Chicago residents from the customer's collection before running the join on the zip_code field. To begin, click the Add Stage Plus icon to add a new stage. By default, Studio 3T always creates a new stage with the $match operator, so there's no need to change the operator this time. However, it will be added after and at the bottom of the $lookup stage. We just need to bring this stage to the first position. Simply click and drag it up into the first position so that it's above the $lookup stage, making it the first stage of our query. Next, we need to complete the $match script by replacing the placeholder as follows. Type the zip_code field name from our input customers collection. That will be address.zip_code. Now add the $regex definition, which filters the document to search for only those that start with 60, which is the Chicago zip code. Now, run the Stage 1 out on the right, and click Count Documents. There are only 11 Chicago residents. So, with us adding the $match as the first stage, we managed to reduce the query runtime substantially as it acted as a filter before the second stage of the query. Now, let's go back up to the pipeline and check off the $match stage. We see the timings as follows. We can see this by comparing the query plan timings in the Explain tab. 1,000 documents get passed to the $lookup stage, and then the same 1,000 are sent out as our results. Now, let's see the Explain for the full pipeline by adding back in the $match stage. Click Run. We can see that the $match filter results in sending only the 11 Chicago documents through to the next step. That's a 75-fold increase in speed. For very small collections, such as these demo datasets, it makes little difference. However, when you have terabytes of data to query, narrowing your focus at each stage is crucial to building high-performance queries. Please see our other highlights videos on getting more from MongoDB with the power of Studio 3T. Thanks for watching, and happy querying stage by stage.